The AGL-class spacecraft initiates the tunnel. Gravido-vortex fields now form around the hull. Quantum crystal nodes activate along the ship's spine, stable inner corridor. The ARS Mk2 begins its operation. Microscopic units emerge from the hull. A pulsing layer scans the damaged plating. The spacecraft structure is stabilized. The GRAF D machine begins its operation. Blue plasma arcs ignite across the ring. Ionized particles swirl within the core. A quantum field forms, bending surrounding light. This is the GRAF D Mk2. It creates a living quantum grid, achieving pure zero-friction propulsion, surfing across the stars. Generations later, the probes of Project GRAF D have laid the foundation for a new home. In the frozen expanse of the Oort cloud, humanity has built a thriving civilization. Project GRAF D represents humanity's most distant frontier. Thousands of autonomous probes now explore the Oort cloud, harvesting vital resources at the very edge of our solar system. Surrounding Earth, the network forms a defense architecture, multiple synchronized orbits. Psion beams adjust trajectories, protecting the planet. This network is a scientific shield. APS Mk1 represents a new class of satellites. Each unit generates a stable dual pulsar field. Internal modules work to make a vision of future planetary protection. On the plains of Mars, autonomous technology is building the future, expanding this settlement into a colony. This is planetary-scale engineering. The Nexus 11 begins its propulsion test. The rotary drive generates localized distortion. Sensors confirm positive time dilation. The vessel accelerates without propellant. A new era of space exploration. Deep in space, a new layer of protection. Millions of particles move in a coordinated swarm. They recycle waste to power the core. Telemetry tracks every hygiene cycle. This is the Apertus TerraClean. It features 10 connected processing modules. The central chamber handles quantum deconstruction, while the AI control center monitors flow. This is the GRAF D Apertus Q-Link. It features direct neural sensor nodes. The one-core module manages the AI flow, achieving precise, believable control. This is the Mars Open Arc. It serves as a levitating transport module. Massive robotic arms are mounted underneath the body. 5 astronauts are seated inside the open deck. This is the TSD Beta. It utilizes an adaptive curvature-coupled propulsion system. Massive front and rear modules react to the tidal gradient, generating thrust through controlled deformation. Vortex core localized. The Vortex Open Platform KI hovers precisely 3 meters above the terrain. Its central plasmasphere provides continuous, stable lift without. This is the MEC-Y Orbital Horseshoe Cleaner, a massive autonomous station. Its mission? To capture and containerize dangerous space debris. This is the MEC-Y Magnetic Vortex Orbital Cleaner, a massive autonomous vessel. It actively captures orbital debris. This is inside the cylinder, a magnetic vortex funnels the debris towards storage. It actively captures orbital debris. This is inside the cylinder, a magnetic vortex funnels the debris towards storage. It actively captures orbital debris. This is the MEC-Y magnetic vortex orbital cleaner, a massive autonomous vessel. It actively captures orbital debris. This is the MEC-Y orbital horseshoe cleaner, a massive autonomous station. Its mission? To capture and containerize dangerous space debris. Deployed bubbles analyze the Martian soil, transmitting data back to the module.
The GRAF tube habitat represents a breakthrough in planetary living. On Earth, it stands as a staining unit, redefining long-term autonomous operation.
This station is the GRAF D orbital clean ring. It monitors space debris from low Earth orbit. A pod maneuvers to intercept a target. The clean pod approaches the non-functional satellite fragment. It performs precise maneuvers to match the rotation of the debris, mechanical arms to intercept to cure the object.
The MEC-Y activates its vortex magnetic propulsion. It lifts off vertically without conventional rocket flames. The electromagnetic field propels it.
The Bubble Scout Mkai explores Mars. Sensors scan the terrain passing below. Small autonomous smart bubbles are released. It continues its scouting mission. Technology that adapts. Protection that thinks. GRAF D particle suit, built for Earth, ready for space. The GRAF D particle suit Mark I is a breakthrough. It adapts instantly to the most toxic environments. One suit, one planet, one future for mankind. Technology that adapts. Protection that thinks. GRAF D particle suit, built for Earth, ready for space. The GRAF D particle suit Mark I is a breakthrough. It adapts instantly to the most toxic environments. One suit, one planet, one future for mankind.
In quantum engineering, precision emerges. The GRAF D laser divides a beam. 12,000 microthreads travel without heat. Zero thermal interaction capable.
The MPI gives us a window into the planet's soul. Real-time mineral tracking, right before down to the nanoscale. This isn't just data, it's the future of conservation. This is the first operational test of the MEC-I. Its zero-emission core provides stable, low-altitude flight. Astronauts begin in walk mode. Activation triggers the membrane. The suit inflates smoothly. Vortex thrusters enable stable levitation.